Hi, today I'm going to show you the necessary supplies in a basic first aid kit. It is important to have a well-stocked first aid kit in your home and even in your car, so you can deal with emergencies, minor accidents, and injuries. Your first aid kit should be kept in a cool, dry place and out of reach of children. A basic first aid kit may contain the following: wound compress and burn dressing, different sizes of elastic bandage, disposable surgical gloves, triangular bandage, alcohol prep pad, different sizes of adhesive bandage, thermometer, first aid blanket, burn dressing, different sizes of first aid dressing, betadine and paracetamol, and scissors. It is also useful to keep a basic first aid manual with the kit.